Writing style engaging. Hey little friends, do you love rhymes and songs? I bet you do because singing together is so much fun. Today I have some special poems just for you and I'd love for you to sing along with me. Are you ready? Let's dive into our magical world of rhymes. First up, we have a little poem about our friend, the sun. It goes like this. Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, hiding behind a tree. Now it's your turn. Can you sing that with me? Let's sing together and make sure we're loud enough so Mr. Sun can hear us from behind that tree. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Wonderful singing. I knew you could do it. Next, we have a sweet poem about ducks. I love ducks, don't you? They go quack, quack, and waddle everywhere. Here's how it goes. 5 little ducks went out one day, over the hill and far away. Mama Duck said, quack, 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 quack. But only 4 little ducks came back. Oh no, where did the other duck go? Let's sing and find out together. Sing with me, all about the ducks and their adventure. Brilliant, you're really good at this. Singing together is not just fun. It also helps us learn new things and remember them better. Now, for our last poem, let's sing about the stars. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Stars are so beautiful, aren't they? Can we try singing that together? I want to hear your sweet voices fill the room with twinkles and sparkles. Let's sing! You did an amazing job today. Singing these poems with you has been so much fun. Remember, you can always sing these songs whenever you want. Maybe even teach them to your friends or sing them with your family. Until next time, keep smiling and singing. Bye-bye, wonderful singers.